All right, consider the sequence written above, create a table equation and graph of this sequence. So let's start with a table, okay? I want to just continue to find my terms in my function. I have to understand what's happening here. So it looks like we're adding 4 each time. So we get -5, -1, we have 3, and then 7. So we continue to add 4, we'd get 11, and then 15. If we graph these points, we should be able to do this pretty easily. We have the point 1, -5, and I'm counting by 2's here, so I'm going to be like right down here somewhere. Then we're going to have the point, 1 is actually in the middle here. 1, -5 is going to be somewhere around here. Then we have the point 2, -1. And then we have the point 3, 3. And then 4, 7, 5, 11, and then 6, 15. And we can start to see that that looks like it's going to be a line. So T of n is going to be, we know when we're writing the equation of the line, it's y equals mx plus b. B is our 0 term, so if we were to find our 0 term by going backwards 1 here, we would just subtract 4, so we would get -9. So B is -9, and our slope is adding 4 each time, so that's just 4. So we would have T of n equals 4x minus 9.